Hi, welcome along, and in today's video we're going back to 1965 with the great Bob Dylan. This is definitely in the period when he went electric. This is called Like a Rolling Stone, one of his biggest hits. Do hope you enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to click like and subscribe, as it helps me grow the channel, which in turn helps me bring you more guitar-based tutorials. So if this is what you're up for, go grab your guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Right, let's get straight into it. So first off, we've got the intro, which goes... Right, let me show you how that's done. So first off, the chords we're going to be using here are literally, this is a C major chord. I'll bring that up to the camera. I'm going to try and gear this towards the beginners. This is a nice beginners level song for you. So we've got a C chord there. And what we're going to do is with our little finger, every now and again, I'll show you when, we're going to tuck our little finger and place it on the 3rd fret of the D string. So we've got C, C, and then we so as you're strumming, you hammer that on. You just put it on, and it'll give you that hammer-on kind of sound. So what that'll be. We've got 4 bars of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. So 4 bars. I'll show you the strum pattern we're going to use, which is down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. Okay, so down, 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 up, down, down, down. So you got down, down. On the down of the down up, which is what come next. So it's down, 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 up. On that, we hammer on the little finger onto that 3rd fret of the D string. So down, down, and then as we strike the next downstroke, we come on with that little finger. See, and then got it? So that's it. So that's the intro, okay? Just want to make it noted that strum pattern for this is being Bob Dylan. Sometimes it's something and sometimes it's another. So the strum patterns I'm going to give you in this video they will work. They sound good. They will work. You can change them up or down to suit your own expression. That's completely fine. Right, so chords. Let me show you what chords we're going to need for the verse. So we've got a C chord, we've just done that one. I'll hold that up to the camera. C major chord. Then we've got a D minor chord. So as this is for beginners, anytime you need to pause this to have a quick look at what I'm doing, feel free. So D minor. Right, then we've got an E minor, the easiest chord of all. 2 fingers, there we go. And then an F. And then a G, G major. Okay, so there's your chord. C, D minor, E minor, F, G. Okay, so what we're going to do for the verse, we're going to just go, down, down, down. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 3rd beat, we're going to accent that. So basically that means that's going to be louder than the others. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here's the chords. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, C, D minor, E minor, F, G. 4 bars of G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go again. C, D minor, E minor, F, G. 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. Okay, go for that one more time. So the verse is C, D minor, E minor, F, G, 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 G. Then we go again. C, D minor, E minor, F, G, 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 G. Then we're back to this is the next bit. This is what I call the pre-chorus. Or, yeah, pre-chorus. We've got F. This is the bit you used to laugh about, bit. So F, F, G. Then back to the F, G. And then, this is a good bit, because it does like a little bit of a rundown. So we've got F, E minor, D minor, C. And again, F, E minor, D minor, C. D minor, twice, F, G, 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 G. And that brings us up to the chorus. Let me go through that one more time for you. So we've got C. This is the verse going into the pre-chorus. So C, D minor, E minor, F, G, 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 G. And again, C, D minor, E minor, F, G, 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 G. Pre-chorus. F, F, G, G. And again, F, F, G, G, F, E minor, D minor, C. F, E minor, D minor, C. D minor, D minor, F, F, G, 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 G. And then we're into the chorus, which is very straightforward. It's 1 bar of C, 1 bar of F, and 2 bars of G. And we repeat that 4 times. Okay, same strum pattern. So we can go, how does it feel? So we've got C, F, G, D. And then again, how does it feel? F, F, G, G, C, F, G, G, C, F, G, G. And that is the chorus. Now, as I said earlier, you can switch up or down the strum patterns. I mean, another one that works real good is... So we've got down, 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 up, down, 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 up, doom, doom, down, ba, da, doom, da. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Right, now, so we've got that strum pattern. And another thing we can do, just to make it a bit more folky, we can do these hammer-ons with our fingers. Now, this is very much advanced, and everything I've showed you up to this point works a treat for this song. You'll happily sing and play this song all day long like that. But things you can add when you've mastered that. So, for instance, say you've got your C, you can break away from the C as you're strumming. So you've got the strum, and then try lifting your fingers off and then hammering back down. See what we're doing there? So we've got the hammering on of the, so we're coming off and then coming back on. And then the other thing we can do is not only we can hammer on with the, because that's our C shape, we can hammer on open D. So we've got our D open. So when you come off the second finger of the C chord, obviously that's going to make the D string play open. Hammer down, that gives you, so we've got that. But what else you can do, you can hammer onto the G string 2nd fret and then come back to the C chord. So we got... See that? So that makes it a bit more folk-like. So for the G, we can send this 2nd finger out travelling. And what we're doing there, we've still got our other 2 fingers in the G position, but the 2nd finger's gone moving. And we're hammering down on the 2nd fret of the D string for that one. So just spices the chords up a little bit for this song. Because you've got, for the verse, you've got C, D minor, E minor, F. Then you've got 4 bars of G. So during that 4 bars of G, you might like to throw this spicy stuff in. So you've got C, and D minor, and E minor, and F, then G. See, that makes it a bit more Dylan-y, a bit more folky. Okay, that's how you play Like a Rolling Stone by Bob Dylan. So there we have it, Like a Rolling Stone by the great Bob Dylan. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comment section below, along with any other song suggestions you might have for any songs in the future that you'd like me to strip apart and show you how to play in another video. And if you like today's video, don't forget to click like and subscribe for me, as it does help me grow the channel, which in turn helps me bring you more guitar-based tutorials. If you've liked and subscribed already, a big thank you to you guys. You're a great help and I really do appreciate it. Until I see you again in another video, look after yourselves. See you then. Take care. Bye-bye.